Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video we're going to do some great arm exercises to really help the bicep and also the tricep, helping with those big potential bingo wings if you like, those bat wings. We're going to do this with no weight, so nice and light and easy, and you'll really find that you should help the arm area here. So what we're going to do first is stand up nice and straight and let's just roll our shoulders in a backwards motion, just warming up the arms and incorporating the arms and the shoulders, warming up the shoulder area. And then you want to come forwards and then come backwards a couple of times and then just set the shoulder in place. This will also make sure that your back is nice and straight. And then let's just gently placing our hands onto our tummy first and gently breathe in and hold that core and that engagement whilst we're doing the rest of these exercises. So what we're going to do first is take our hands in front of us and just lift upwards as far as we can and come back down. And let's do this 8 times. So that's 2 and 3, and again you want to hold the core. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last time lifting up as high as you can, and 8. So the next exercise we're going to do, we're going to take our hands, place them into a palm, into almost like a prayer position, and you want to make sure your shoulders are nice and relaxed, but your arms are straight here, and you just want to gently press and come apart, and gently press and come apart. And we want to do this 8 times. So we've already done 2, so that's 3, 4, again remembering to hold the core, 5, and you should feel a nice contraction here on your bicep, 6, 7, and last time, hold it for a few seconds, and 8, and just give it a little shake out. So now placing our hands in front of us here, we're going to come across and we're going to come out and forwards. And again, let's do this 8 times. So coming forward and then coming out, nice and straight for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, and 8, and just hold that stretch and come back and release the arms and give it a little shake out. So now we're going to take our hands and make a real tight fist with them and really give that a good stretch and a good fist, sort of, quite strong. And you want to come up and then you want to bring your arms all the way down to your legs and come back up and down. And let's just do this 8 times. So that's 3, 4, really working the biceps here. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and gently come back down. So now we've done a little bit of bicep work, let's now do work onto the triceps. So I'm just coming forward here, so you can see placing one foot slightly ahead, hinging forward with a nice straight back. We're taking our hands here. Again, you can make a fist, and then you just want to lift behind you and come back. And let's do this 8 times. So 1, 2, and you should feel a great contraction in your muscle on your tricep here. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and hold. And gently come back down and shake it out. And then on the other side, again, one foot slightly ahead of the other, hinge forward, nice straight back, take the fingers and really make a fist with that. Come forward and then just come backward for 1. Remembering to hold the core, the engagement. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and hold, and gently release. This is such a great one for the triceps. So now taking our palms here, we're having them forward, and then we're just going to come back with our arms and just flutter. So we're going to do this 8 times. So coming nice and straight, core engaged, tailbone in, and come back for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then just hold and release. So that's quite a lot of tricep work there. Again, taking our arms here in front of us, let's just lift up and down for 1, 2, 3, a nice big stretch, 4, 5, 6, holding in the core, and last time all the way to the top and come back and just roll the shoulders. So taking our hands out in front of us, you want to take your thumb, place it downwards, come across the body and take the other hand and place it either between your shoulder and your elbow here, or between your elbow and your arm. I'm placing it just here, and you just want a gentle stretch on this area. And if you'd like a bit more of a stretch, you can just look to the side on the opposite side, really stretching, and coming to the other side again, our fingers coming down to your thumb and just gently placing our hand between our shoulder and our elbow. And if you want a bit more of a deeper stretch, you can just take a gentle belly breath in through the nose and releasing and just stretching and bending to the side with your head. Just slightly looking over towards that shoulder. And gently release. So let's just work the shoulders lastly now in a backwards motion, and then forwards, and then backwards a couple of times just to reset the shoulders in place. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it useful. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and please comment down below, tell me where you're from, and also if there's any other yoga or exercises you'd like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.